Welcome to your new beautiful home at 7376 Oneida Drive in Commerce City, Colorado. Let's take a tour and explore the convenience and charm of this cozy one-bedroom apartment. As you step into the home, you'll be greeted by a bright and open space, thanks to the large window that lets in plenty of natural light. This room offers comfort and versatility, providing the perfect spot to relax after a busy day or host friends and family for a cozy gathering. Stepping into the kitchen, notice the ample cabinet space that provides plenty of storage for all your culinary needs. This well-appointed area features a nice kitchen with a gas range and a refrigerator, perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking and meal prep. The new, easy-to-clean flooring here is an added bonus, enhancing both the functionality and the look of this essential space. Flowing seamlessly from the kitchen is the dining area, which opens into the living room. It embodies the modern open floor plan design with an ideal layout for entertaining guests or enjoying quiet meals at home. The natural continuation of the space allows for a cohesive and inviting atmosphere, and the low-maintenance flooring extends throughout the apartment. Next, let's visit the bedroom. This is a peaceful retreat featuring clean lines and a bright ambience due to the large window that affords a generous amount of sunlight. This room is spacious enough to accommodate a queen-size bed while still allowing room for movement and additional furniture. The full bathroom is bright and clean, boasting newer fixtures. It is well maintained and complements the overall aesthetic of the apartment, providing a clean and modern feel. There is a back door exit for added convenience. Thank you for taking the time to tour this lovely ranch-style unit at 7376 Oneida Drive with its wonderful features including low-maintenance flooring, included utilities, and the bright, open living spaces. This property is the perfect place to call home. Contact us today to make this beautiful unit yours.